everyone, this is the Stamoutsos family in New Jersey showing you. The idea was for us to keep our project as a do-it-yourself, as we like to do most things ourselves, but we wanted to blend in with our back rock wall, the patio pavers, and our overall backyard theme. So we need to make sure we can be cost effective and still have a quality finish and high-end look. And what we did was we built a cabinet that we could withstand exterior elements and would last us for a long time. We built a base frame using 4x4 treated lumber with 3/4 inch outdoor rated plywood. Project, we had to figure out, okay, what kind of tools are we going to need, and GenStone gave really good instructions about all this stuff, so it was great. I would say that working with GenStone probably took us about 3 to 4 days working with the product to get all the panels on. So again, the representative for GenStone, they were great in helping provide all the matching stuff that we needed to get the finishing look that we needed to get the product, and everything turned out excellent. We could not be more happy with this end result of what everything looks like here. I would definitely have anybody use this product. It looks like real stone. Everything is excellent.